Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode, and for today's vlog, I'm going to share with you and unbox my haul. So last week, I ended up in the sports warehouse over at Mamplasan. So to those who don't know, or to those who don't live in the Philippines, it's like a massive warehouse that sells outlet shoes, multi-brand. So you have New Balance, you have Adidas, you have Nike, you have Mizuno, and a bunch of other brands. So I ended up buying, I think, around 6-7 sneakers. All of them were 50% off. So if you are interested to find out what those kicks are, keep on watching. Let's go. Now, before I forget, let me just remind you that we still have 2 ongoing giveaways. I'm giving away Project Rock Under Armour sneakers in 2 different sizes, as well as a brand new Samsung TV. The winners for both giveaways will be drawn this weekend. So if you haven't joined yet, make sure that you do subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. So I count a total of 6 pairs of shoes. All of them are from Nike. They come in different sizes. Actually, only one of the shoes is in my size. Now, if you're wondering why I bought a bunch of shoes that aren't in my size, they're mainly because I will be including them in the next mystery box that we are going to be selling over at Project 721. So let's get started. So I'll start with the shoe that's actually in my size. So again, it says over here, Sports Warehouse, again in Mamplasan. So if you pop this box open, this is a Kobe Bryant shoe. So if you take a look at it, this is the Kobe AD NXT FF in size 13. I got this at 50% off. So I think it was supposed to sell for around 10,000. I think I got it for like 4 plus. So that's not a bad deal if you think about it. So you have your typical tissue paper, and then actually I've had my eye on this pair for a while now because I've always wanted to feature it on the channel. I never just got around to pulling the trigger because it was expensive at full price. But wow, really happy to finally add it to the collection at 50% off. So this one actually uses some sort of like Nike React for the midsole. It has a really nice Velcro strap here at the top with those arrows with the Mamba logo over there. Man, it just looks really cool. So I'll be putting this on feet within the next few days, and hopefully I can still put together like a quick on-feet review for those who are interested in this shoe. And I really love this look. I'm sure not everybody likes it because it's kind of out there, but it was a pair that when I first saw it, I just loved the style and I really wanted to get it. So yeah, happy to have it at 50% off, and now it's part of our collection. So one of the sneakers that in terms of value has really gone down is the Vapormax. I mean, it almost feels criminal to buy a Vapormax at full price when you know that 90% of Vapormaxes end up being on sale. So, I mean, if you walk into any outlet store, guaranteed there is a Vapormax on sale. Every time there is a shop, a sneaker shop that goes on sale and they carry Nike, chances are Vapormaxes are on sale. In fact, I was over at the Athlete's Foot in one of the malls a few weeks back, and the Vapormaxes were on 50% off. You didn't even have to go to an outlet to get the discount. But anyway, I ended up picking this one up. So this one is the Vapormax FlyKnit 2, size 9.5. And this one I got because I remember a vlog last year. I was in Commonwealth. That was another sneaker shop. And I saw this and I almost bought it at full price. So it was just funny to find it now at 50% off. So this is like the Vapormax FlyKnit 2 Safari. So you have gray, black, and then you have that loud pop of orange for the air unit at the bottom of the Vapormax. And it just looks, well, this is probably the only Vapormax I like in terms of design. To those who know, I love black and orange. And the color blocking on this particular pair just, well, kind of spoke to me. So again, this one usually sells for like over, I think, 10,000 or around 9. So I got it at 60% off. So I got this for around a little less than 4,000 pesos. So not a bad deal for a brand new Vapormax. So this one's going to the mystery box. If you want to know more about the mystery boxes, please do just make sure that you like the Project 721 Facebook page. Project 721 is our merch and apparel brand for this channel. So if you want shirts, if you want bags, and a bunch of other stuff, we sell them there. So we will be announcing the next mystery box batch very soon. Now we get to a couple of, these are Kyrie sneakers. So this is the Kyrie 6 EP in black. Again, one of those shoes, when I first saw them over at Titan, I wanted to buy. The aesthetic appealed to me and I thought of featuring them on the channel. Good thing I waited because this one is now on 50% off. So this one is just a really clean black Kyrie 6. So very easy to wear, very easy to style. If you want to wear it for athleisure, if you want to wear it for basketball, I think it just works really well. You have that embroidered swoosh along the lateral and the media side. You have that some sort of like splattered white paint along the Velcro strap that cuts across the midfoot section. Nice pop of color here at the outsole. So yeah, it's just a well-built, really nice basketball shoe that you can wear for casual wear. So this one, I forgot how much I got it for, but definitely 50% off. I think almost a little over 3,000 pesos. Now I got another Kyrie shoe. This one is, what's the official color? This one is in the color Grand Purple and white. So again, if you pop the box open, this one is a little bit more louder. And I remember vlogging about this when I first saw it. I'm not sure if it was on Titan or some sort of Nike shop. So pop of color here at the back with the all-seeing eye. You have the strap along the midfoot, some sort of like suede for the collar, multicolor exposed stitching near the midfoot section. Again, that loud pop of yellow on the outsole. So Kyrie shoes, for basketball shoes, they're really nice. I mean, aesthetically, they're one of my favorites. They're chunky, they're comfortable, and most of all, they're affordable. So especially if they're on 50% off. So that's the fourth sneaker that we were able to pick up. We still have 3 more, and these next 2 are from Nike. This one is an Epic React FlyKnit 2. So if you guys haven't seen my review yet of the, what was that React shoe that I love? The Infinity React Run. One of my favorite React sneakers to date. I still wear it a lot. Super comfortable, especially if you have wide and flat feet. I'll link that review down below. This one though is in a really bright red number. This isn't the Infinity Run. This is the FlyKnit 2. And this one I also got at 50% off. And this one is in size 10. So size 10. Really comfortable shoe, really loud shoe. So if you want a sneaker that pops, you might want to consider this one. One small detail that I liked about the shoes is that if you take a look at the outsole, there's that gradient red, almost orange, that eventually fades into the gray color of the midsole. So it's just a nice added element to the shoe, which made me appreciate it a little bit more. So that's the next sneaker, and we have one last pair that will be part of the mystery box. These aren't all the shoes, so I'll be adding. I'm thinking of getting like putting in like a Yeezy Zebra or something. So this one is the Nike Element React 55 SE, size 8.5. This one a little over 3,000 also, or maybe less. So this was part of their 50% sale. So this one is in a really simple silver, black and white color. So again, very easy to wear. Anybody who can fit the shoe can pretty much pull this off. Doesn't take like a stylistic mind, or you don't have to be a fashion maven to figure out how to wear this. And again, the React Lifestyle line, some of the most comfortable sneakers that you ever get to wear, and this is definitely one of those shoes. So again, that's another one of the sneakers that I ended up picking up over at Mamplasan. So that is the Nike Element React 55 SE. Among all the sneakers that I showed you guys, which one do you like the most? Which one do you think is the best buy? And if ever you were to get a mystery box, which shoe among all of these sneakers would you want to find in that box? Let me know in the comments section. I would love to hear from all of you. Now that I think about it, I probably should have gone more in different brands. I just realized that I was in a multi-brand store and I just ended up buying like mostly Nike shoes. And if ever you find yourself over at Mamplasan, just a quick note, a lot of the shoes right now really are on 50% off. They weren't kidding. But the selection, the really good ones are really more on the Nike brand because the Adidas brand didn't have any good stuff. Not a lot of good Ultra Boosts. Very old stock, very old season. Same with New Balance. So the reason why I think people should go to Mamplasan is because primarily of the Nike shoes. Now, if you find something interesting from Adidas and New Balance, then good for you, pick them up. The sale is massive anyway. But please do take note that if you are going to go out as much as possible, well, not as much as possible, make sure that you wear a face mask, and depending on the regulations where you are, wear a face shield. It's important that we keep ourselves safe. At the end of the day, these are just shoes. They are not worth your health. They are not worth your life and the risk that you might put your family at if you contract the virus. Sarap magkape. Okay, and with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. I hope you're all positive with life, negative with COVID. And as usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.